The concept that most of the intermediate traders don't know. So liquidity, as I was explaining it in my previous video, I have explained a demo version of it in the previous video, but now I am going to be a little bit advanced on liquidity, because I have told you I will be only uploading advanced type of videos in my channel, which will be the things that I learned new. Okay, so liquidity refers, just a quick introduction, then we will go to the advanced mode. Okay, liquidity refers to buy sell orders, means the orders that resides in the market, that is the fuel for the market. Okay, so liquidity is the fuel for the market. As a car needs the fuel to run, market need buy sell orders to run. Simple. So now the big question is, what is the use of liquidity? Use of liquidity, where it resides, means where it is. Okay, so use of liquidity is that it can be used, just answering one by one all the questions of the intermediates or the beginners, even if watching. So where, what is its use? Okay, what is the use of liquidity and what, where it resides? So simply, its use can be on, just telling you, on identifying, define key support resistance levels, key support resistance. Okay, then the third use is setting targets, understanding market makers. Okay, understanding market makers, the big players just target liquidity. Okay, then identifying other stop levels, where will the stop loss of other people. Okay, identifying other stop levels, other stop levels. Okay, identifying other stop levels. Okay, so where it resides, identifying key, these are the use. So where it resides, basically in three words, if I have to explain where it resides, the answer will be it resides. Okay, the answer will be it resides between 3 points. Okay, means below or at 3 points: swing highs and lows, swing high and lows. Then it will reside swing, like, sorry, wick levels, high wick levels. Okay, high wick level, high wick levels. Okay, so now how can we use the liquidity? Let's get into the practical application of how we can use liquidity in our favor. Let's say, as I explained you, the concept of liquidity. The liquidity resides between equal highs and equal lows, swing high, swing lows, equal wicks, not high wicks. Okay, by seeing this chart, what do you see? Okay, this was a point of liquidity here, high wick. Okay, look at this here. This was a level of high. So this can be our target if shorting at the above level. Now the thing is that, let's say this is another point of liquidity. Okay, high wick. So this can be a resistance for the market. Right, this can be a resistance for the market, as a long term trend is the bearish and the short term trend is like a kind of a pullback. Now for me, this is my target for the market. Now I am seeing, also saying like that this liquidity can be filled by the market because the long term trend is bearish. Okay, means the long term trend is bearish, as I can see here. Okay, just look at this, the long term trend is bearish. So now I will short on this. Okay, let's say you are shorting on this. So you have a clear target. So you made your resistance level a liquidity level. You made your target a liquidity level. So this helps you in your edge, whatever your edge is. I don't know. If you will just add liquidity to your edge, it will moreover help you to identify key levels, key support and resistance levels, and key targets. Okay, this was its use. So a quick tip: the equal highs liquidity, the liquidity above the equal highs are very key liquidity levels. For example, this was a 3 equal high. So now it didn't got above this. Okay, means it didn't filled up the liquidity, and this 3 equal highs became a resistance. So now you can target this liquidity and you can just mark up the Fibonacci. Let's say you are marking Fibonacci from this to this, coming up to the 50 levels here. This is also a place of liquidity. Okay, because the high wicks are generated. Now when you see that high wick is also generated third time, now the liquidity place is also made here, means these market makers are targeting this liquidity. So now you will be placing your stop like this, and there you go, you will be targeting this. Okay, this position is in hold right now as the markets are closed today. This video I'm making it on Sunday. So this was all about the video, a quick video of for explaining the concept of liquidity, because most of the people, intermediates, even intermediates, don't know what liquidity is and how and when we should use it. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. It is the concept that most of the intermediate traders don't know.